Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and scan a barcode on a ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for ladder, find application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page we can get started choosing what team we want to be a part of. So right here in the bottom right corner, the first thing you can do is go ahead and filter out the teams to find which one suits you the most, and then you can go and select it to be able to follow its workouts right here from the main page. So once you've done that and you have become a part of the team, we can get started following our workouts. So let's go and take a look at how to scan the barcode to log our food. So to be able to scan barcodes, you're going to go right here into the bottom right corner and click on the nutrition tab. This is going to enable us to set up our tracking. So basically guys, this is going to enable us to scan barcodes. As you can see, you need a premium subscription. To be able to use the ladder application, you need to have a premium plan or to use the free trial that is offered to you once you install the application for the first time. So once you've gotten your premium plan, you can go to the nutrition tab right here, set it up, and you're going to have the barcode icon that you're going to be able to see. Click on it and it's going to enable you to scan barcodes of your items to manage your calories, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.